Welcome back to another Buc-ees construction update video. Today's Thursday, April 17th, 2025. We're in Huber Heights, Ohio, across the street from the location of the First Buc-ees in the state of Ohio. We came down here on a Thursday this week because tomorrow it's supposed to be very windy. Probably won't be able to fly the drone. And it's Easter weekend, so we got other plans for Saturday and Sunday. Right now the forecast is calling for rain on Monday, so we heard a rumor that they had started to pour the floor for the retail building, and we wanted to get down here and check it out. Turns out that rumor was true. At least half of the floor for the retail building has been poured. The field office has been relocated from one of the pads from the former buildings right off of 235 down to the north parking lot. The north fuel islands, they've installed about half of the fuel pump guards. Looks like all the ones on the west side. South parking lot, doesn't look like there's been too many changes there. The south fuel islands, not too many changes there. The construction at the exit ramp, doesn't look like there's been a whole lot of changes there either. The big news for this video is the start of the floor for the retail store.
This video will be uploaded on Monday or Tuesday, and we hope everyone had a nice Easter weekend.
That's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the Buc-ees construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Here's a look at the north fuel pump island. You can see where the fuel pump guards have been installed. You can see here in the north parking lot where the field office has been relocated to the upper left-hand corner. Here's the retail store location. You can see we've got probably more than half of the floor has been poured in this picture. This is the exit ramp from I-70 to State Route 235. The construction equipment's in place, but we don't have any visible changes to the area yet. This is the south parking lot. We still don't see a whole lot of changes here.